On your screens is Big Steve from Best Cars for Sales in Kenya Limited. And as you know, in Best Cars for Sale in Kenya Limited, we help our clients ship motor vehicles from Japan to Kenya. And today I am going to take you through a summary of our importation process step by step. And it starts with you as our client, where you give us a call and give us the specs of the unit you have been looking for. Once we agree on the specs and the budget, we move straight to our auction houses, where we start sending you options of the various vehicles that we have in our auctions. And once you identify the unit that you wanted, request you as our client to make a commitment deposit of 100,000 for vehicles below 1 million. And for vehicles above 1 million, we request you as our client to make a commitment deposit of 350,000 so that we can bid for that particular unit. There are two things that can happen while bidding for this unit. We can either lose the bid and we can either win the bid. I want us to focus on the case where we lose the bid. When we lose the bid, you can give us a period of 1 month, and if we will have failed to send you the options that you preferred or the options that meets your budget, you are entitled to a refund of 100% within 2 working days. Are we together up to there? Once we win the bid, we take this particular unit for inspection by QISJ, and QISJ is mandated by KEBS to be inspecting on their behalf. The QISJ check for a few things in this unit. They check if the car is right-hand drive. They check whether the car is less than 8 years old since it was manufactured. They also check the mileage of the car, the VIN number, the chassis. They also check whether the car has been ever in an accident. And now, after the QISJ inspection, this is where now we get the certificate of roadworthiness. Then we take this specific unit to the Ministry of Transport in Japan, where we get it deregistered. And please remember, you will be the first owner of this car in Kenya. That means you will have the latest number plate, you will have your vehicle in a very maintained manner. And they also give us 2 various inspections where we verify that the car was well maintained. Then we get the export certificate, which gives us permission to ship the vehicle from Japan to Kenya. And remember this, the process only takes 28 to 55 days. Once your car arrives at the port of Mombasa, you offset the 80% of the remaining balance, and from there we will take care of everything on your behalf. That is, we take care of the clearing process. So if you ever wanted to import a car, you can visit us in our offices in Ruiru Town, Greg Towers, office T3, T7, or you can call us through the numbers that we have given you here. And remember this, we deliver the unit to your preferred destination.